lakini there is nothing has been done so far because of bingo konyoranga bantu mbabwati plan. Nsari konkobolia simple question onayo rali kisimie chiribere to hakeirwe budget na kisimie chiraguru around 40,000 to airu chibesa. We need to go and buy those funds because they were budgeted.
All right.
Tuwana tuwarosiri budget. Aba isimiwa warosiri budget. Na ende chibesa chiamanya kuunga CRF account jairanire 3 billion. Jairana for what? And we have things jabete budgeted for. And we have people school bago sok every year but what chigas. We have one to go to the university bago and report on the roads. The reason is Ntura think about going into industrialization. Ekero tuwa facility industry. When small scale industry is every word. Igotura konya bana baitu engineering tambi na into tuwe konye kimaendeleo. Party politics, bad leadership. One on your leadership, there will be no development. Development here bad leadership. That is what it is. There is no shortcut to try the language to live now. Development here bad leadership. If you are a good leader, let me give you a good example. The late Kibaki. You could not be moving elsewhere. No bokonya kwenda ikira asokonya kungo mugaka Kibaki ngakinya sare komo echitamu no anisatu. Things were seen when they were touched. Do you want
na mheshimiwa kwanera
no sara kwanera kende county.
Yes.
Matega, you don't have to be questioning with the corner Park Street siga umugaka na orweto the late the former Ungwai. With the colleague you could touch, you could see. Level 6, what he did, you could see and touch. So even telling us a development, you don't have to be told, just do it, people will see. Do it, people will see them.
So you want to say in the county, Togo kwa na Kisii County, woni magendero tayo?
Tayo totally.
And who is to be blamed?
Why? Ngakiako woni chibese chiranire. Ngakiako woni governor yaitoga amenyete Senate. All the time wakunya kurangiri which Senate. Why? Yani yotaga the Senate here biased na honorable Simbai kuna kumurangiri. That is not a place to be visited regularly. It's like a police station. Senate ibako kurangiria ekere bintu bitari in order. Igobona ekero bakurangiria gochyo ege bintu biri burungi. That is self-explanatory abantu batakere kuma. So that is why to develop yobo tenga ekero geke toise go getiga another 5 years Kisii igera irane magega so far. Because every year konyora tora bana bagosoma. Unemployment yo chago iti Kisii is so bad in 10 years also. Engakine koko goromo gadi onsaligo butorwa koboko Kisii okiagera ngo chikubo sinyoro abantu kogoromo gadi. Poverty ya irani Kisii ya sugumiru because boa leadership to boate to korte bwagando twata komenyokera 2 term 1 term 2 term 1 term. Eponas yo ke bana abaiboli bakoiberu.